Systems of linear inequalities. We'll be finding the solutions for a system of linear inequalities, such as y is greater than or equal to 3, y is greater than negative 3x minus 3. So we'll be graphing each inequality separately, but we'll be doing it on the same graph. The first one, y is greater than or equal to 3, looks like this. The second one, y is greater than or equal to negative 3x minus 3, looks like this. When we graph the two inequalities on the same graph, we have a region that is shared by both inequalities. That region that they share is the solution. So the green region here is a solution for this system, meaning that any point in this region is a solution for both of these inequalities. So you try number 2. So here's the graph of y is greater than or equal to x plus 2. Then I graphed y is less than or equal to negative 2x minus 1. And this green region here is where they share. So that is the solution for this system. Okay, let's write in a system of inequalities from a word problem. Mark is a student and he can work for at most 20 hours a week. He needs to earn at least $75 to cover his weekly expenses. His dog walking job pays $5 an hour, and his job as a car wash attendant pays $4 an hour. Write a system of inequalities to model the situation and graph the inequalities. So I'm going to use the variables d and c. D is the dog walker, c is the car wash attendant. So I'm going to think back about my template when I'm writing a system of equations, but I'm going to keep in mind that I'm going to be using inequality signs here. But to get started, I'm going to write c plus d equals a number, c plus d equals a number. And I've highlighted important information. At most 20 hours, at least $75, and $5 an hour, and $4 an hour. So my system would be 4c plus 5d is greater than or equal to 75, and c plus d is less than or equal to 20. So if I were to graph it, I would rewrite it solving for d. So I could isolate one variable on the left side and use my inequality shading rules, and it would look something like this.